Hey guys, this is Mike from Love to Wander. People have been very interested in this little oven that we have gotten ourselves. It's made by a company called Yizi Camping. It's a 10 by 10 by 9.5, basically a square box. It's got a temperature gauge here on the front. It goes up to 600 degrees. It's top loading. And as you can see, it's got 2 shelves. The shelves will hold 8-inch pans. We have made pizza, muffins. What else have we done? We got some other things that we have plans on doing in it. Inside of it, as you can see, it's just a metal box that sits on top of your propane stove. Lid just fits down on top. It's a nice little stove so far. This one's actually pretty nice. I think it cost us like 49 bucks. Found it at a little sporting goods store. They'd had it for a while. The date on the label was 1986. So, as you can see, it's just a square box. Works really well. And that's it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like on the stove. This is a Coleman. We've had this over 30 years, this Coleman, so it's got a lot of use. It still works really well. Okay guys, this is the muffin on the tray going in. And it's a little over 300 degrees. It's getting pretty warm. Hey guys, just make sure that you watch the temperature. This thing was pegged at 600 degrees. The muffin is done. It's only been like 10 minutes. We're gonna see how this one turned out.